Hello there, till with the multi-tempo report du taboia. Il y a une faible chance d'un cyclone tropical ici. En segundo lugar, en el Atlántico, hay una zona de probabilidad de 20% y 20% en los próximos 5 días. Y finally, yes, that's how it goes. Tropical Cyclone 6. This thing over here, predicted to potentially reach the equivalent of hurricane status. I do believe that would definitely, those words don't match. This thing should get a name. That's what I'm trying to say. I believe it will reach the level that they need to upgrade it from numbered, being 6, to Madi. Madi, I'm not sure how it's pronounced. Madi, I do believe, is the next name storm. So, if you look at the satellite loops, you can kind of tell this thing, even though the center of circulation is out away from land and is predicted to stay out away from land, the outer bands are definitely reaching land right now. In Sri Lanka, they have a bad weather warning in effect, and they talk about the windy conditions, intermittent showers and thunderstorms with this. India Meteorological Department, they talk about the rainfall, and then, of course, isolated heavy falls would occur over the Andaman and Nicobar Island during the next 72 hours. So that is what is happening now. I don't know if this thing, what's going to happen after this. So that could be still a pretty potent is the word, but possibly a potent storm still at that point, or a potent tropical storm, except it would be called a cyclone out in this basin. So yes, that'll be something to keep an eye on. Not sure if it might eventually dissipate out here or potentially make landfall in the future somewhere else. So yes, that is what is happening in the land of tropical cyclones. So those 3 things. In the land of U.S. severe weather, this is not the news. The 2% chance of a tornado and the 5% chance of winds. Was it this thing? This is the news. The winter storm already in progress, basically. And right now, all of these dark purple areas, that is the ice storm warning. There's been ice all over the place, lots and lots of snow. And of course, there's a winter storm back there too, but this thing is just absolutely massive. So all of these pinkish type areas are the winter storm warning. This is the ice storm warning. All the purples are the winter weather advisory. So yes, just absolute massive chaos in the form of ice and snow. Yes, it's the Snowmageddon. Ice-mageddon, I guess, would actually be more accurate. But let us talk about the severe thunderstorm probabilities that are possible out in front of this thing. So that's the wrong tab. There we go. This is the map showing the probability of severe winds, which are winds 58 miles per hour and greater. So this is, if you compare it to this thing, so basically out in front of all of this winter weather, massively mental, just nuts stuff, yes. That's where that's occurring. Hail is not a possibility with this, but you might get lots of ice. You'll get a different type of frozen convection precipitation, something of the sort. 2% tornado chance. So that is what is happening today. But after that, severe thunderstorm weather-wise, I should say. After that, predicted to be relaxed and groovy. Severe thunderstorm weather-wise. Winter weather-wise, it's just all... Yes, it's all going off the rails, or an expression like that, right? SevereWeatherTV.com is the official homepage of this screencast. WikiWix is WICKEDWX.com, and Cyclone is CYCLOCANE.com. Let's turn on the satellite so we can see that. There you go, there is Tropical Cyclone 6. That is not what I meant to click. There we go. If you shift click, that's what I'm doing. You shift click, and then you can select something, zoom into. Anyway, that is it for today. And hopefully you're staying safe out there.